Now, Greg Soye is back with his extended farm weather forecast for the country. Presented by Pivot Bio Proven. Visit pivotbio.com to find a representative near you.
Well, Greg, I tell you what, Thanksgiving is quickly approaching. It's here this week, and even though it might be different, there are probably still a lot of folks who will be traveling.
Yeah.
What do you see forecast-wise this next week?
Well, nothing major, no major winter-type storms. You know, we've had that back in the month of October, with the exception of Northern California, the Pacific Northwest, and this is actually good news, particularly as the later portion of the week wears on. Moisture recharge, drought easing, precip in one form or another. Here is the rain snow line in purple, maybe some accumulation up near the Canadian border, at least the potential for that. Looky here, the tropics are still kind of busy down through the Gulf Coast, kind of a hybrid feature that will again exacerbate unneeded rainfall in some of these southeastern portions of the country. Eastern areas, a very manageable setup. Late week moisture on the increase west to east, where we do need a little more rain across sections of the Corn Belt.
Greg, how are things looking as we get into the month of December?
Well, plenty of opportunity to maybe check the equipment shed out, get some of those fences ready to go, move livestock, supplies. Look at this, and this is good news from a heating standpoint, I'm sure. Maybe anhydrous applications, not the greatest because we're going to keep these soil temperatures pretty mild, little if any frost or freeze in the ground. So it's a good go of it here as we wind down through the beginning part of meteorological winter time. And hardly a precip echo in sight as well. Much of the plains, Midwest, Corn Belt locales still need it in the drought areas. And here too, still wet down through Florida. Active weather pattern continues to stay focused in the Pacific Northwest.
Now, how about the week after, taking us into mid-December?
Really no super cold air in sight. Look at this jet stream west to east. We get that Chinook warming, or it stays up near the Canadian border. West to east flows are fast moving. They are not conducive to generating significant moisture, but warmth, plenty of it, are running from the Divide to the Ohio to the eastern states. Temperatures no worse than normal across areas of California. Here's the same storm track, Pacific Northwest. Nothing going on here across the northeast of New England. A little snow and rain system there heading towards mid-December.
Now, the week of December 14th, La Nina's in effect. What are you seeing?
It'll be a year of wide-ranging temperatures, and we begin to see that cold air. Look at the squeeze play of readings north to south and a very fast jet stream pattern west to east. So, as you would expect, active weather pattern for the Pacific Northwest through the northern Corn Belt, the Northeast, as well as New England.